Long and short U sounds. Master English pronunciation and phonics rules. Let's look at the way in which the vowel U can be pronounced. We'll start with the short vowel sounds. This pronunciation sounds like the U in up. For example, cup. Just much. Summer. And umbrella. This pronunciation sounds like the short double O in book. For example, bush, cushion, fool, put, and sugar. Now the long vowel sounds. This pronunciation sounds like the letter U. For example, humid, July, Tuesday, unicorn, and usually. This pronunciation sounds like the oo in food. For example, blue, clue, flu, fruit, and sue. And finally, this pronunciation sounds like It occurs when the letter R follows a U. For example, burger, surf, earn, and urgent. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on vowels.